Hi friends and followers, here's a Gonset GSB-100 again. So I want to check the plate voltage after the two resistors were put in here, the two 12.5Ks in series with the new capacitors. You can see the capacitors on the side there. Anyway, it's a shock hazard, but so is the open tube there, so the plate. Anyway, plate voltage in this thing is about 900 volts, man. It's high. It's supposed to be 600 volts, I think, so I'm clocking in 900 volts on plate voltage. It's probably less under load, but it seems like a lot. So that's the story on this turkey. I'm still getting a little bit of power in 40 here. 40 meters, not much. Of course, I can't measure plate voltage with the power on. It'd be a big RF spark, so I can't do that. Anyway, that's the story here. Do I get a plate dip in this thing? Let's see. Come on. Yeah, there's a dip. What do you know? Acts normally, somewhat. Needs neutralized, but that's a normal dip. Okay, that's my demo. GSB-100 by Gonset, rising from the ashes. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.